Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain the American Express Blue Cash Everyday Card. This card is a fantastic option for those looking to earn cash back on their daily expenses without the burden of an annual fee. It's designed to reward you for purchases you already make regularly. Plus, new card members can often take advantage of a welcome bonus, typically a $200 statement credit, after spending $2,000 in the first 6 months. It's a straightforward way to save money. Let's dive into how you earn rewards with this card. You'll get a generous 3% cash back at U.S. supermarkets, U.S. gas stations, and on U.S. online retail purchases. This excellent rate applies to your first $6,000 in spending per year in each of these categories, then 1% thereafter. For all other eligible purchases, you'll earn 1% cash back. You can also enjoy up to an $84 Disney bundle credit and a $180 Home Chef credit annually. Understanding the fees and interest rates is crucial. The American Express Blue Cash Everyday Card proudly features a $0 annual fee, which is a big plus. For new accounts, there's a fantastic introductory offer of 0% APRA on both purchases and balance transfers for the first 15 months. After this period, a variable APRA will apply, typically between 19.99% and 28.99%. Do note, a 2.7% foreign transaction fee applies to purchases made abroad. So, who is this card best for? It's an excellent choice for individuals and families who want to earn solid cash back on their everyday spending without paying an annual fee. If you frequently spend on groceries, gas, and online shopping, you'll maximize its value. It's also beneficial if you need an introductory 0% APRA for a large purchase or a balance transfer. However, if you travel internationally often, the foreign transaction fee might make other cards a better fit.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.